Alright, now we're doing 7Q numbers to letters. This is by PG1 and 90% of the people like it. Given an array of numbers in string format, we must return a string. The numbers correspond to the letters of the alphabet in reverse order. So A is going to equal 26, Z is going to equal 1, etc. We need to also account for exclamation points, question marks, and spaces, which are going to be represented by 27, 28, and 29 respectively, and all inputs will be valid. Alright, so right here, we're going to switch this up to concise syntax by saying const here, switcher equals x, and then the rest of it's going to be an arrow, right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to write out a list of the, of the letters in reverse order, okay? So, give me a second, I'll take care of that. Alright. So, I've got it in reverse order. We've got it in reverse order. And also we're going to have a space here so that that's the 0 because, you know, it's going to start at index 1 here. And then also we've got the exclamation point and the question mark and this actual space here. The space we're going to use there. Alright, so now that we've got that, we're going to wrap this up in parentheses, put a comma after the quote, this quotation mark, and then we're going to come down to this line. So right now we're going to use the map method, and if you don't know about the map method, it creates a new new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So with this one, it's going to be the element times 2. So it's going to be like 1, 4, 9, and 16. It's going to come out 2, 8, 18, and 32. Everything multiplied by 2. All right. And the syntax we're going to use here, we're going to use this map element. We're going to have the arrow there, and then the expression right here. All right. So we're going to say x.map, and we're going to have element. And what we're going to say here is we're going to say reverse at index element. Alright, and that's basically it for that there, and then we're just going to have to join it all together to make it a string again. We're going to use this join method, which creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array separated by commas or a specified separator string. If the array has, well, we don't need that part. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say inside of this last parenthesis, we're going to say dot join, and then have it right here like the spaces in between the characters. That way it just gets all smushed together. Alright, and let's test it out and see if it works. Alright, it works. Attempt it. Alright, and submit it. It pretty much looks the same as this one here, I guess the syntax is a little different. We're going to go to My Solutions. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like this one, and we'll see you next time.